Good morning, boys and girls, and welcome to April. April is my favorite month of the year because my birthday is in April. But I also am excited for April because that means that it is spring and the weather is going to be starting to get warmer, which means that we can go outside and enjoy the sun and sit and relax and hear the birds. All things about April bring me joy, and I hope that they bring you joy too. I hope that you had a great spring break and are ready to be back. We are in the home stretch for the end of the year, so that's super exciting. So for our morning work, we're going to set our calendar up by writing our name. I said that April was my favorite month because my birthday's in April. Axton's birthday is also this month. All right, so after you wrote your name, you can color the front page later if you'd like. We are going to number our squares. Again, I'm going to do this a little bit quick, and you can pause to catch up or finish, okay? The 1st of April was on a Thursday, so I'm going to write a 1 right there. And then I'm just going to keep counting. I don't remember how many days it has. 30. Okay. So we're going to count to 30. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. All right. Go ahead, pause if you need to catch up. That's okay. Did it quick? Okay. So here's where we're back to school. This is today. Back to school. Yay. You don't have to write yay if you don't want to. You don't have to write back to school if you don't want to either. But this is today. The first 3 days of April, you were on spring break. Let's see what we have coming up. We have an assembly on the 22nd. I don't know how it's going to work just yet, but we'll figure it out. Ned assembly. Assembly. There's an E somewhere in there. I don't remember what it's about either. But there's an assembly on this day. And it is from 8:30 to 9:45. I guess we can write, it is not to 9:45. 9:15. I was going to say, that is the longest assembly ever. 8:30 to 9:15, so it's only 45 minutes. Axton's birthday is on the 24th. Let me double check. Good thing I double checked that I was second guessing myself. Axton's birthday is on the 22nd too, so I'm going to draw a line to break this, and I'm going to write Axton's B-Day. Okay, and then Mrs. Rentschler's birthday is on the 10th. My name is really long for you to fit in this tiny square. If you just write Mrs. R, that's okay, if you write it. Other than that, I don't think that we have anything going on this month that I know of yet. This is everything that we have. A lot of stuff is going to start coming up in May. And really, we just have all of April, all of May, and just a smidge of June, and then we're done. We're done. I feel like this took a lot quicker than it normally does. But here's our calendar so far for April. And if anything else pops up, I'll throw it on the calendar for you. And then today for your morning work, I would like you to do this first page. Okay? So today is, what is today? Today is Monday. Remember, Monday starts with a capital letter. Monday. And then the date is April, which also starts with a capital letter. It's a name. April, today is the 5th, and the year is still 2021. Okay, so then you would draw a picture of yourself, write your name, and what is your favorite color this month?